Today I am giving you a tour of 16257 West Washington Street in Goodyear, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Goodyear, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Goodyear. Welcome to this stunning 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in the heart of Goodyear. Step inside to tall vaulted ceilings and abundant natural light, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. The open floor plan is enhanced by elegant marble-like tile throughout the main living areas. The kitchen is beautiful and boasts stainless steel appliances, black stone-like countertops, and a center island with a stainless steel sink. The spacious primary suite is located on the bottom floor for added privacy and features an ensuite bathroom with a separate toilet room, walk-in shower, soaking tub, dual vanity with stone-like countertops, and 2 walk-in closets. A separate bedroom at the front of the home with an adjacent full bathroom provides the perfect flex space for any resident. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms with wood-like flooring and plenty of natural light, maintaining the bright and open feel of the home. And here's the hall bathroom that features stone-like countertops and a dual sink vanity for added convenience. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. And to wrap up the tour, here is the beautifully landscaped backyard, where a large covered patio with ceiling fans offers the perfect spot to relax. There is also a sparkling pool for you to enjoy. Don't miss the opportunity to live in this beautiful home. Schedule a self-showing today.